So here's my power station. This is my 40 amp MPPT solar panel control box. I got a 400 watt solar system. As you can see, I already got this all hooked up and ready. It comes with a fuse, and from the fuse I want to an off switch, so if I need to work on it I can just disconnect that. And down below is the wire, positive wire, which will go to the batteries. I got 2 batteries that are going to be in here after. Here's my AC output, input, output. That's pretty much connected. I just gotta get this box in place so I can start running power wires. And from there we're going to go to a transfer box. I'm going to do that here in a little bit. These 2 wires are supposed to be crisscrossed, but to make it look neat I could crisscross it in here because I got a plastic cover. I noticed some of the transfer boxes don't have a plastic cover, so you might want to figure out your setup and how you're going to do it. And from there we got the 3000 watt inverter. I have the input hooked up here already. I also got my switch. It's already in remote. I have the plug that goes in here. I was going to get that out, but that's still in the box. That's so if you're hooked up to shore power and want to run off battery and forget about being hooked up to shore power, you just flip the switch, and that's what the transfer box is supposed to do. It's supposed to switch it over so you don't burn nothing out. And on the other side of the inverter I have 2 watt wiring going down. This also fuse, my off switch, and to a bus bar. I have a positive bus bar and I have a negative bus bar. Everything's running to the bus bars. But the ground is going to the shunt. I do have a shunt, which is right here. Can't see it too well. I'll see what I can do here. But I have the inverter on the P side where it's supposed to be. Also the solar negative on the P negative side. And then the B goes to your batteries, which I'll show you later on of how I'm going to do that. That'll probably be a later video. Then I also have my DC power fuse box with a breaker and running to the positive bus bar. On the negative bus bar I am going to run a 1/0 wire from this bus bar down to the bottom through this and hook it to the frame, so everything's grounded. Here's my shore power going into the transfer box, and as you can see I got it running out, and then it's going to go out the side. I got to get the 30 amp service plug into the side of the trailer, but I'm going to do that later. We're in winter right now. Right now it's like 20 or 35 degrees. I got a little bit of heat in here so I can do the work in here. So stay tuned, and we'll hook up this transfer box and I can stamp that and call it done. Feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you and have a great day. So the first one we're going to start with, and when you buy the Renogy 3000 watt inverter, you'll get a set of instructions on how to wire it. You could also go online, YouTube it. But the inverter, as you see, I already pre-stripped all the wires, so I got to fast forward nothing later on. And with this also is we have the quick clips. You just snap it down, push the wire in, and snap her down. But for the inverter, we need to go to the bottom. So here's the bottom one. So I'll take the black, your hot, let's insert that, lock that down. The other bottom, push that in, lock that in. All I have to do is do the ground. I'm going to do all the grounds last. Alright, so now that's why this pie should have been, the inverter should be down here at the bottom and the AC, but whatever way works for you, whatever how you set up your, because trust me, it took me a while to figure out how I wanted to make this box and make it look pretty. So now the AC, we're going to go to the top. So here's the black for the top. I'm going to insert that, lock it down. AC white. I'm going to go under this one. I like to try to make everything neat. That's locked down. And again, the ground. So our last but not least, our shore power. Our shore power goes to the middle. So here's the white, already pre-cut, pre-shortened. I'm also using 12-3 wiring. And there's the black. Alright, so that looks all nice and pretty. Can push all this in after. Get the lid on it. Now we'll get the grounds hooked up. Oh, I gotta get a regular head screwdriver. Sorry about that. Now we just take our grounds. Get that in. Tighten them down. There's that one. Oh, gotta loosen this one up a little more. So I had it all set. Now on my inverter for fuse, I got 300 watt fuse. I got a refrigerator and microwave that I'm going to be using later on. Refrigerator is going to be alright on the battery power. It's just the microwave I'm going to probably either continue to use the shore power or generator. Now for batteries, right now I'm using a marine and RV style of battery. And for my test with my first camper, I ran one battery, and my mistake was I never did any fuses or breakers with that system. As you can see, this is all set. But the batteries I'm using is Marine and RV from Advanced Auto. In fact, it's a die-hard 550, 685 cold cranking amps, 24 DC1. It's about 81 amp hours. But here, I'll show you what I'm using. I've got it hooked up to the ceiling fan right now, just temporarily. But to test that. But I was able to run our little apartment-sized, I think it's like a 4.3 cubic refrigerator freezer, which I'm like to get over here and dry fit it. But that ran for like 6 to 8 hours just off a battery alone. So I think I'll be all right with the 400 watt and the 2 batteries. But guys, that's it for right now. Now I can get this box over there against the wall where I want to put it. So now I just gotta hook up the batteries and the ground to go through. When I get ready to hook up the batteries and do the rest, then I'll do another video. Oh, that's the other thing. I did there's a body ground. It's on this inverter. I ran that down. That went to the bus bar. And this is where I'm going to do the, like I said, I'm going to do the ground to the frame, body frame. So that way it's grounded. My breakers are off, my batteries are off. I just got to put my breakers in, run my power wires, and start running some DC wires. I'm not doing the solar panels until spring. Like I said, we're in winter right now. So I'm just going to do what I can to get stuff done in here. So, like, subscribe, and watch for more. Take care. And thank you for watching.